What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Now you may have already noticed this is not like my usual videos, and that's because it's being filmed by the latest addition to the channel. That's right, I've got myself a drone. So guys, there we have it. That is my new toy and the latest addition to ABAUTO. Now, I've always wanted to get a drone because you can just get those really gorgeous shots of cars. And I hope you guys enjoyed the montage. This is the first time I've ever flown a drone before. But these things, they basically fly themselves now. So it was so much fun. For those guys out there that are into drones, it's a DJI Air S2 and it's incredible. It shoots 4K, it shoots 5K. It is an absolute beast. And as you can see, it does some amazing shots, especially of the CLA45s. And can you believe it? I was actually able to film myself driving. I did not have a friend flying the drone. It literally followed and tracked my car. I had the controller down here on the seat. I didn't have to do anything. It was super safe and the footage was incredible. So this just opens up so many opportunities for the channel. You know, I absolutely love making videos for you guys, and just having this drone is just going to add so many cool dynamic shots to my videos, and it's just going to be tons of fun to use as well. So I hope you guys are as excited about the drone as I am, and yeah, the quality of the channel is going to be even higher. I just love making videos and I want to take this channel to the next level. So yeah, I've got a drone. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know what you think about the drone in the comments, and yeah, awesome footage to come, awesome videos to come. I cannot wait. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, all the good stuff. I'm so excited because I love making videos. I'll see you guys next time.